just my imagination once again.
Okay, I've taken off my glasses and I've put on goggles to use my imagination with Carl. He is the chief scientist from the Imagination Station. Do I sound like I know what I'm talking about?
You do.
Because I'm really afraid inside, because you said you were going to set me on fire.
We won't set you on fire. It's all kind of an illusion of sorts.
All right.
But you know, I was thinking it's very cold outside, and a lot of people are doing things inside their homes. They might be doing a little home renovation, working with something maybe like paint thinner. And a lot of times, you know, people don't realize that it's not so much the liquid that you need to be worried about, but it's the vapors.
Okay.
Okay. So this container has just a tiny little bit of liquid inside of it. You can barely see it.
See, I'm already backing up. When do I need to back up? You're going to warn me, right?
Get over here. I'll warn you. You'll be fine.
By the way, I'm a big chicken, if you haven't noticed already.
You'll be fine.
Okay.
I want to show you how dangerous these vapors can be.
Yeah.
You can't even see them. Got a little candle. I'm just going to open this up and pour no liquid, but just the vapor into this container.
Whoa!
And those vapors will ignite.
Hey, it's still on fire, Carl.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, it is?
We'll just cap it.
Yeah, I'm cool with that. All right.
Okay, so dangerous vapors. Now, that's a heavier than air vapor. It poured out down to the candle.
And what was that liquid again?
It was hexane. Wow. It's an organic solvent, kind of like paint thinner.
Pay attention, children. We're learning from a scientist right now.
Don't try this at home.
Do not.
Now, firefighters also have to contend with vapors that are lighter than air. In your house, you might have natural gas.
Right.
Okay? I've got some natural gas in here. I got some methane.
We all have a little natural gas there, Carl.
Okay. Now
Just saying.
this,
just saying, man. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
now this is where I'm going to need a volunteer.
Okay, the lovely Dina Sinafani is going to come in here because I'm a big chicken.
All right.
You're not afraid? Dina,
Well,
you're not afraid?
I don't know. What are we doing here?
Come on over here. What we're going to do is
All right,
get your
get right in here.
hand wet.
Get in front of me so I can get behind you.
Get your right hand wet in the water.
Okay.
Dip it right down in there. It's just water. It's fine. Get in there.
No, I'm at least making me scared.
See?
No, go ahead and pull that
Your
out.
hair's okay, right? Do we need to back her hair out of there?
Her hair will be fine. Go ahead and pull your hand out of the water.
Oh, goggles?
And swap
Do
the
I need goggles?
Yeah, you'll need some goggles.
He
Just
says
pop
it
those
so
on.
casually, like,
Okay.
yeah, you need to protect your eyes from the
There you
flames.
go. Do you need help putting them on? You got it.
All right.
Got it?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, that looks lovely. Okay.
There we go.
Now
All
what
right.
we're going to do
Now
is
put
I'm
my
going to make
glasses
some
back on.
bubbles filled with methane gas. Now get over here. You'll be fine.
Okay.
Trust me.
I'm going to stand over here, though, you
You
guys.
get over here.
No!
Come on, we're in
Okay,
this
fine.
together.
I'm here. Yeah,
Come
I'm here
on.
Do
for
some
you.
bubbles of methane here. What I want you to do, once we get an appreciable amount, I want you to scoop up the bubbles with your hand. Even like burrow your
Can I
hand
ask a
down in
question
there.
real quick?
Yeah.
Scotty, where's the fire extinguisher?
It's right
We got
underneath
Brian's
you.
Okay, we got one. Good. All right,
We got
we're
one right
good. All
here,
right.
too.
Yeah.
We got two.
All right.
So what I
Do you
want
want
you
to
to
hold
do,
that?
No.
Hold the fire
Yes.
extinguisher.
go ahead and grab
Okay,
it.
I got it.
You'll be on
Okay.
fire watch for us. here.
Okay.
Okay. Do you know
I
how to
usually
use
drop
it?
things and run, but
What I want you to do is scoop up the bubbles in the palm of your hand.
Okay.
Okay.
Just the bubbles.
Just the bubbles. Leave the stuff behind. Leave the
Okay,
water behind.
all right.
I'm so nervous
That is
right now.
Perfect. Okay. Now
Okay.
what I want you to do is open your hand up flat,
It's flat.
and I'm just going to add a little flame to that methane.
All right.
It's lighter than air, and let's see what happens.
Whoa!
Oh!
Okay. Now,
I got the extinguisher, Carl.
I am glad
Even
you're
though I
there
took
with the
2 steps
extinguisher.
back.
Facing the wrong way. It's
Oh,
facing
yeah.
the wrong
Whoa.
way.
Now, hey.
go ahead and show
Oh.
your hands. Your hand is fine, right?
It's fine.
Yeah, so the methane is lighter than air, so it floats up, the flames move away from you, and the water helps protect your hand.
That was cool.
Is your hand really fine, or are you just saying
It
that
is
for
fine.
TV?
No, it's fine.
Yeah, give me a high five then.
All right.
That doesn't hurt? No, not you, Carl. I meant you. Yeah. Sorry.
All right.
I dig you, though, Carl. I do dig
right.
you. Yeah.
Now,
Is my work here done?
your work here is done.
Thank you. We need to say, do not do that at home.
Don't try that at home. No.
Okay.
All right.
However, one last thing here. I've got a little model of what could happen in your home.
Still a tough grown man, though, Carl. You know that.
Come on over here.
Just saying. Okay.
Come on over here. What
All
we're
right.
going to do is I've got a little bit of that very flammable liquid.
Uh-oh. Let me put my stuff down again.
got
Do I
so
need the
little of it.
goggles?
Yeah, put the goggles
back on. Okay.
Just a tiny little amount. If I pour this liquid down
Okay.
this tray,
Okay.
the liquid's only going to go about halfway. It's going to run out. The flammable vapors are going to tumble down to that candle. The
Okay.
vapors are going to ignite. They're going to flash back up the ramp, ignite the liquid, back up to this balloon filled with hydrogen gas, very flammable.
At any point, do I need to dive under the table?
We're actually going to dive that direction. Well,
Okay.
maybe we can
All
walk
right.
casually
I'm
in
ready.
that direction.
All right, let's do it.
So this would be an example of you spilling a flammable liquid in
Right,
your home
right.
near another flammable
All right.
spill.
Okay.
All right. So here we go. We're going to pour the hexane down the ramp. You and I are going to casually walk over here
casually,
because
not nervous at all.
the vapors are
Yeah,
traveling
walking
down,
over here.
and they're going to ignite, flash, possibly back up the ramp, and our balloon is. This is why this stuff is so dangerous. You never know if the vapors are going to catch on fire or not. So just for this purpose, I'm going to light this little candle.
Oh, you were
here.
prepared with the candle.
And we're just going to show you what would have happened if we ignited this hydrogen balloon.
Whoa!
And the methane balloon as a bonus. All right? So The takeaway message here is don't try this at home.
The takeaway message is I should have wore a pair of Depends today, Carl.
Be very, very careful if you're working with any kind of flammable liquids or gases for that matter.
All right.
So at the Imagination
Do
Station.
not try it at home, right?
No, don't try this at home. At the Imagination Station, we do this kind of demonstration throughout the day. Come down and check us out. We're open on Monday, President's Day. If you have that off, come down and check it out. We got the Titanic exhibit as well.
Just to tell everybody at home, the floor is not wet under me, right? Tell them.
The floor is completely fine.
good.
And you are looking good.
We are good. Yeah, you'll mop it up. Thanks, Scotty. That's exciting stuff that you do.
So we talk about this. We talk about safe ways to do this and protect yourself at home, whether you're working with flammable things, how to use fire extinguishers, all sorts of really cool stuff. Nice science.
How did I do?
You did great.
Thank you. You're a kind man. All right, there is more information on the Imagination Station, of course, on our website. You guys have a great Titanic exhibit that'll be there in Toledo, right?
We do. It just opens this Saturday. So come down and check that out. It's really cool. It runs for 4 months.